Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this, but a friend of mine asked me to see if I could clean this thing up a bit. Bumpers are fucking rusty. Never recommended maybe replacing this one, but that cover covers most of it. We're just gonna use some of that fucking bed liner material. Cover that up. Got a few little rusty spots here and there. That will clean up with CLR. That's because of this fangle piece there for the ladder. Yeah, front bumper's not much better. Getting it all cleaned off. Then we got the roof of the truck. Needs a little paint there. And yeah, this was one of them fucking trucks that the primer didn't fucking work very well. Ended up peeling off the last of the paint, which is there. Which wasn't much left. I'm gonna take the hood off and strip the edges, and because there's a bit under there it needs to be painted. But yeah, nice and fucking rusty up there. You gotta clean this up, maybe touch that up. Get a little bit at the doors, a little bit at the bottom there, and maybe see if I can figure out what to do with this. I repainted it at some point. Fix something there. Oh no, it's not a bad truck. Clean up nice. I'll get the bumpers done today anyways. Hit it with some of that bed liner material. Need some new clips for the plates. But other than that, not too shabby at all. Alright, in any case, that's how I'm spending my day. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.